Hello everyone, welcome to the video of Total Quantity Management. In this particular video, we'll discuss about basic concepts of Total Quality Management. Okay, the Total Quality Management or the TQM composed of three paradigms that we already know, that is Total, Quality and Management. Total means organization wide, quality with its usual definition and all its complexities we have already discussed earlier that we have to understand, and management the management means the system of managing with steps like plan, organize, control and lead and staff, etc. The definition of total quality management as given by International Organization for Standards, that is ISO, is as follows, that is TQM is a management approach for organization centered on quality based on the participation of all its members and aiming at a long-term success through customer satisfaction and benefits to all members of the organization and to the society. Then there are the basic concepts of TQM. You can see here I have given a few basics. There are total 6 basic concepts of TQM that I'm going to explain it to you. Okay. The 6 basic concepts are you can see here in the slide, that is a committed and involved management. Okay, this basically means that a committed and involved management, what means is that TQM is a continual and long-term activity that must be embedded in the culture of the organization. Okay, everything begins with long-term, top to bottom organization support. Management must participate in the quality program established to council to develop clear vision, set goals and direct the programs. Then the next is unwavering focus on the customer. This is also a very important concept of TQM, that is an unwavering focus on the customer. Customer are the very purpose of any organization. Key to an effective TQM is orienting all activities towards the need of the customer, both internally and externally. Effective involvement and achievement of the entire workforce. Implementing TQM is everyone's responsibility. Employees are the future of any organization. All personnel must be trained in TQM and its tools. Okay, they must be empowered to perform process in an optimal manner. Okay, the fourth is continuous improvement of the business and production process. All employees must continually strive to improve all the business and the production system. Okay, this is what this concept essentially means. Treating supplier as partners. Okay, this is also one of the very important concept here. Because 40 to 60% of the product cost is outsourced, so all the suppliers of the organization have to be treated as an extension of one's organization. Okay, and the last concept is establish performance measure. Okay, we have to establish the performance measure. The measures should be available to note downtimes, non-conformities and satisfaction of customers and absenteeism, etc. So the basic thing is here is to measure and prosper. Okay, these are the 6 basic concepts of TQM. Thank you.